It's listed as a 2012 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. This is a one-owner boat. It was purchased brand new, kept here on Lake Norman its entire life in fresh water. It's powered with twin 5-liter Mercury SeaCore engines, 260 horsepower each. The boat has got all of the equipment that you would look for in a cruiser, including a generator, air conditioning and heat, full covers. It does have the Eisenglass with the screen enclosures. It has the extended swim platform. Also has a new Simrad in-dash unit, fully bottom painted, low hours. Schedule a time to come by MarineMax Lake Norman. We can be reached at 704-892-9676. Be glad to show you this boat in pristine condition.